In this video, we are going to solve an example using different formulas of properties of triangles. So, this is our given example. And first, let us consider the numerator. And in the numerator, you can observe that we have the ratio cot. And we can use the formula of cot a by 2, which is s into s minus a divided by delta, plus of the formula of cot b by 2, which is s into s minus b divided by delta, plus of s into s minus c divided by delta. So here we can take s by delta as the common factor. So s by delta into s minus a in plus of the remaining term, which is s minus b over here, plus s minus c. So that implies we get here s by delta into s plus s, which is 3s minus of a plus b plus c, which is 2s. And then subtracting, we get s by delta into s, which will be s square divided by delta. So s is nothing but a plus b plus c divided by 2. So here in this case we have square, so let us write whole square over here divided by delta. And now let us simplify this term. So we get a plus b plus c whole square divided by 2 square, that is 4, into the reciprocal of denominator, which is 1 by delta. And then by multiplying the terms, we get a plus b plus c whole square divided by 4 delta as the value of numerator. So let us name this as equation 1. So now let us consider the denominator cot a plus cot b plus cot c. So cot a can be written as cos by sine. So let us use the formula of cos a by using cosine rule. By taking sine a as the common factor, we get 1 by sine a into the value of cos a, which is b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2bc, plus similarly 1 by sine b into the formula of cos b, which is c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2ca, plus of the value of cot c, which we can write in the form of 1 by sine c into the formula of cos c, which will be a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2ab. And then by multiplying the terms, we get b square plus c square minus a square divided by 2 into, and now in the denominator let us multiply and divide by 2. So here we get 2 into 2 into 1 by 2 into bc sine a. And similarly, here all the values will become c square plus a square minus b square divided by 2 into 2 into 1 by 2 into ca sine b, plus of a square plus b square minus c square divided by 2 into 2 into 1 by 2 into ab sine c. So here this is the formula to find the area of a triangle, which is represented by delta. So here in all the terms we have the common denominator, which is 4 delta, and in the numerator we get b square plus c square minus a square plus of c square plus a square minus b square plus of a square plus b square minus c square. And here we can cancel the similar terms having opposite signs. So by cancelling, we are left with a square plus b square plus c square divided by 4 delta, which is the value of denominator. So let us name this as equation 2. So by considering the LHS side, we have to prove the value. So first let us write the value of the numerator, which is a plus b plus c whole square divided by 4 delta into the denominator. And we can write the denominator in form of the reciprocal over here by just multiplying. So here we get into 4 delta divided by a square plus b square plus c square. And then 4 delta gets cancelled and we are left with a plus b plus c whole square divided by a square plus b square plus c square, which is the value on the RHS side. And here in this example we used the formulas of cot a by 2, and then we used cosine rule, and at last we used the formula to find the area of a triangle. So in this way we solve examples using different formulas under the concept properties of triangles. Hope you understood the concept. For more videos, visit our website VDG Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.